Meghalaya Cricket Association kala Pynlong ke Jingïalang jong Apex Council kapa arpaway hinin kesngi hakli tershi in kapa West Giant Hills hakabalapan ya dok President Unaba Brata Bat Cheji but kijing penrab kongsan ki kentup ke jingjit yo sengna moment kum Vice President ba Royal Karkamni kum Secretary uba Gideon ai Karkungor kum dukot kani ke Jingïalang kalong ban pelet jengmut halor ke jing pen kre nakabenta ka ayom ban ban kentiu ka sap ilek ka jong ka than but ban pin he ka madan ilek ka cricket ka bathamai hamukla
are all united, whether people are in the Apex Council or outside, are all committed, particularly all the district association, to take cricket forward in our state. Our main focus is to improve our own local players, which is very, very important, and it largely depends on the District Cricket Association. Meghalaya Cricket Association will not compromise on this aspect. We need to develop our own players. It may take time, but ultimately it is our own local players who will have to come and carry the mantle of our state. We have also, as you are aware, identified a plot of land in West Giant Hills at Mukla. All of you were present when we signed the lease deed, and we are committed to develop this ground.
Mentang ini pek ke jenglong jangan kesibneng hatura.